Creaking, painful knees can slowly steal your freedom. Climbing stairs becomes a challenge. Squatting or kneeling is nearly impossible. For many people, the root cause lies in worn or damaged cartilage, the soft, shock-absorbing layer between bones. And while doctors often say cartilage damage is irreversible, modern science and traditional wisdom tell a more hopeful story. With the right support, your body can actually help stabilize and partially regenerate cartilage, especially when inflammation is under control and nutrients are consistently supplied. Alongside proper movement and medical care, some simple home remedies have shown real promise in improving knee strength, flexibility, and comfort. Here are 6 of the most effective natural solutions that people around the world are using to nourish and support their knee joints, right from their own kitchen. 1. Gelatin, the cartilage builder. Let's start with one of the most underrated joint supporting ingredients, gelatin. Gelatin is packed with collagen, the structural protein that makes up a large part of cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. When you consume gelatin regularly, your body receives the amino acids it needs to produce more collagen, supporting the repair and elasticity of worn cartilage. The best way to use it? Stir 1 to 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin powder into a glass of warm water, tea, or juice each day. Bonus tip: combine it with vitamin C, like orange juice or lemon water. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis and makes this remedy far more effective. 2. Bone broth, nature's collagen elixir. Next up is a traditional remedy that science has now confirmed: bone broth. Made by simmering beef or chicken bones for hours, bone broth is rich in natural collagen, gelatin, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. It also contains glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that support joint repair and reduce inflammation. Drink 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily, or use it as a base for soups and stews. It's warm, nourishing, and deeply healing for your joints. 3. Turmeric. The natural anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest culprits behind cartilage breakdown. That's where turmeric shines. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation just as effectively as some over-the-counter medications, without the side effects. To use it, stir half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm milk or water each day. Add a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption, up to 2,000% more effective. With daily use, turmeric helps slow down cartilage damage and supports long-term joint healing. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Joint lubrication from within your joints need lubrication to move smoothly, and omega-3 fatty acids provide just that. These healthy fats not only reduce inflammation, but also help nourish the synovial fluid and protect cartilage from oxidative stress. Great sources include salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, or fish oil supplements. For vegetarians, algae-based omega-3 capsules are an excellent option. Aim to include omega-3s in your diet at least 3 to 4 times per week for noticeable results. 5. Rosehip shell powder, a hidden gem for joint pain. Here's a remedy many people overlook: rosehip shell powder. Rosehips are naturally high in vitamin C and polyphenols, which are known to reduce inflammation and improve joint mobility. Several studies show that rosehip extract can help relieve knee pain and improve walking ability, especially in people with osteoarthritis. Just mix 5 to 10 grams of rosehip powder into a glass of water or juice daily. Choose organic if possible, and stick with it for several weeks. You may be surprised at the difference. 6. Ginger, circulation and inflammation support. Last but not least is ginger, another powerful anti-inflammatory root. Ginger helps improve blood circulation around the knee joint, which means more oxygen and nutrients get delivered to the cartilage, accelerating repair and reducing pain. Slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, pour hot water over them, and let it steep for 10 minutes. Drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily. You can also add grated ginger to your meals for an extra anti-inflammatory kick. Closing thoughts. So if you've been living with stiff, aching knees and thought the damage was permanent, now you know. There is hope. With the right combination of nutrition, movement, and consistency, your body can begin to heal itself, one step at a time. Start simple. Pick just one of these remedies and try it every day for a week. Then gradually add others as part of your daily routine. Over time, you may find your knees feeling stronger, more flexible, and far less painful. And if you want to take your joint recovery even further, check out our next video where we reveal the one secret vitamin that helps stop nerve inflammation instantly. Click the link on your screen now and take the next step toward pain-free living.